In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the website name in Webflow. By website name, I'm referring to the project name you see in your Webflow dashboard and at the top of the designer. This is different from your custom domain or your SEO title tag, and changing it won't affect your published URL. It's mainly an organizational label that keeps your workspace tidy and easy to navigate. Start by going to the Webflow website and signing in to your account. Once you're in, choose View Dashboard to open your workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're looking at the correct dashboard so you rename the right project. On the dashboard, find the site you want to update. Hover over the project card and click Open in Webflow. This brings you into the project area where you can access settings and the designer. Next, select the project to reveal its options. You may see the project card highlight to confirm it's selected. From here, click Site Settings. This takes you to the configuration pages for the site. You'll land on the General tab by default, which is exactly where you need to be. Locate the site name field. Click into that field, delete the current name if needed, and type your new website name. Keep the name clear and descriptive so teammates can identify the project at a glance. If you use multiple versions, consider a simple naming convention like Brand Site Production or Brand Site Staging for consistency. Remember, this setting is for your Webflow project name. It won't change your webflow.io subdomain or any connected custom domains. When you're happy with the new name, click Save. Wait for the confirmation that your changes were applied. If you have limited permissions in a shared workspace, you may need edit rights to make this change. Otherwise, ask a workspace admin to adjust it for you. After saving, click Open in Webflow to return to the designer. Look at the project header to confirm the updated name appears. If you don't see it right away, refresh your browser and it should update. That's all it takes to rename your site in Webflow. A quick tip before we wrap up. If you want the text in browser tabs or search results to change, that's controlled separately in your SEO settings and page-level title tags, not by the project name. Use the project name for internal clarity and manage SEO titles where appropriate. Thanks for watching, and enjoy keeping your Webflow workspace clean and organized with accurate project names.